Hello everyone. In earlier topic, we have seen how to drop a database. Now, in this topic, we are going to see how to show the list of available database in our SQL environment. Here we are going to study a command that will display the list of all the databases on our SQL server. We will use a show command, and this will basically give you the list of all available databases on our SQL server. Very simple syntax, you just write show and then databases. So in this assignment, we have been asked to show the list of all the databases on our SQL server, right? And we know how to do that using show command. Let's start copying the question. Now we need to see the list of all the databases, and for that purpose we use the command show databases, right? Semicolon, and then you just try to execute this command and you will be able to see all the list of our databases exist on the server. Course management, course professor rating, department management, then information schema, MySQL, performance schema, and remaining all databases, right? So that's all for this tutorial. If you have any question related to this topic, you can comment. Thank you everyone. You have a great day. Bye bye.